Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Zubair. So in previous videos we have seen several videos about group policy. So in this video I came with a new topic. This topic we're going to see how to install printer server. So in Windows Server 2025 we'll see how to install the role of printer server. This is my server. It's already installed and I have the Active Directory and domain service. This one is domain controller, so I am going to install in this server Windows printer server role. So why I need it? To manage your organizational printers in centralized management, you need to have printer server. So it can help you to manage all printer in your organization, and who is going to print, who is going to give access, to whom you are going to give access. Also you can control the paper, the A4, and also the color. So let's see step by step how we are going to install this role in this server. So first go to start menu, then open server, click on server manager. So this tools, you will see all the roles that's been installed in this server. So Active Directory, users and computer. So now we are going to install another role. So to install the role, go to manage, add roles and feature, then next, then next, then this is my server, then next, then here I'm going to look for the printer server. This is printer and document service. So click on add feature and next. So internet printing, this if you want to access through the portal. So next, so let's stop the installing the internet printing. So let's make it printer server only, then next, install. Now I'm installing the printer server. So let's stop the video until the installation completed. As you can see, the installation is done. So close, then go to tools. Here you will find printer management. So here we are going to add the printers on deploy the printer device. So in the next video I will show you how to deploy printers using this server. So until next, thank you.